especially in a remote area, Delhi, where we offer everybody to come, but everybody denies to come. So we requested to Mr. Najib, and he made me really shocked. Dr. Farooq Sattar is available to come, and I was really very happy. And by the core of my heart, and for my whole team as well as the ability, all of you, we really give you a warm welcome. And so nice to be said you are here. So it's a small gift from our side. So nice to be here. Thank you.
I would definitely like to interrogate Dr. Muhammad Farooq Sattar. Sir, you have seen, you must have seen a lot of contests, a lot of events in your life, and you also have come here in a remote area like Leari, and you watched our and you witnessed a complete event of our students who perform here. So definitely my question from you is this: that what are you feeling right now by being among us over here, and what are your feelings about these young stars of Pakistan?
Mr. Shahid Ali Khan, Dr. Abdul Rahman, and the host anchor for today's very lively event, a debate competition in English in the House of Modern English, working under the auspices of Happy Home Foundation O-Level School. I must address the management, the teachers, and the beloved and very dear students, Assalamu Alaikum. And at the very outset, let me make a confession. Let me admit that the real meaning of Allama Iqbal's words, Zara nam ho to ye matti badi zarkhez hai. The real meaning, I have been going to schools, from schools to schools, institutions to institutions, but the real meaning of this verse I could only find in modern House of Modern English. Confessing is not trying to butter you. मैं मक्खन नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. I am telling you what I have felt in the last 40 minutes or 30 minutes that I have been sitting here and listening to what my daughters have said here. I have seen a movie, different versions of movie Mission Impossible. Tom Cruise is the hero of that movie. But I've seen a lot of female version of Tom Cruise. Come on! In the House of Modern English, there is nothing impossible. Is out of our dictionary now, and my perception has also changed. Some of my thoughts have changed. I am amazed, I am excited, and not only amazed and excited, but I am motivated more than ever now. Was locked, but since I am more motivated, I have to open it. I have to find more space for my movement. What my daughters have taught me today, what you have taught me today, I was thinking that the next mayor of Karachi, inshallah, will be and has to be either a boy below the age of 35 years. I became the mayor of this city at an age of 28. Mustafa Kamal became the mayor at an age of 33. But I am now giving up that we were male folks of the society. This time, a girl, a daughter of Karachi, deserves to be the mayor. What I see a rise of Pakistan. They had ruled us for so many centuries. They ruled us. But what I am witnessing today, a Margaret Thatcher, who was the Prime Minister from UK a few years ago, I am seeing a Margaret Thatcher. Ruled us with their English. Inshallah, they will come when we will rule them with their English. कितने हुए? 8.9 हुए नहीं हुए?
Farooq Sattar, you will not be given by us 8.9, you have been given by us 10 out of 10. And now, one more I would say, that really, we also teach our students that, English is their language. But we don't have to follow the culture. We just have to follow the language. And as you said that, you have opened your quote button, okay, for being so confident. And I also, congratulate you for working very hard.
I will open my tie also.
I know this. You are very confident, and this confidence which you are showing.
The good thing was that I did not find any element of jealousy in any daughter or girl. And if Aisha's team was doing good, Dua's team was applauding them. If Dua's team was doing well, Aisha's team, every member was clapping. Inshallah, we see these girls growing, inshallah. And making their own homes. There will be no saas and bahu ladai. There will be no nan and bhabi ladai, inshallah. Inshallah, every home will be peaceful. Bhabi will be proud of her nan. Nan will be proud of her bhabi. Saas will be proud of bahu. And bahu will be proud of saas. With this energy, हमारी बेटियां काफी है इस मुल्क की लोड शेडिंग को खत्म करने के लिए बेटियां काफी है। और मैं तो पहले ही कहता था कि कुछ देर की खामोशी है, शोर आएगा। लेकिन आज मैं कहता हूँ कुछ देर की खामोशी थी, लो शोर आ गया।